...2024 take. Well, merely it's a August 2024 take. This one's missing me entirely. Here's this one. Oh! You going down? I got the door. There's room for 2. What floor are you going? P1? We're going down, not up. I guess what goes up must go down. What goes up must go down, so we're going down first, then up. That's alright, though. Good thing they replaced the door close button since last time I came here. This was always broken until they replaced it. Now we're going up. You have a nice day. You have a nice day. Run the Torm 1. Run the Torm 1. Big bump. I'm actually kind of curious if the other elevator, the call button on the second floor got replaced or not. Send this one down to P2 and get the other one. Oh, it's already here. Let's take this one for a spin. It looks like they replaced this button here. It looks brand new. Brand new brass button right there. This one's a little bit worn out. Here you are at P2. The door opens. Nice leveling. Let's go up to 2. I'm actually kind of curious if the call button on the top floor has been replaced. It might have been. Here we go. I love that Ecodisc motor. Never disappoints. Yeah, second floor. We're going to get off on here just so I can see if they fixed the button or replaced it. They did replace it, but it's a KSS 500 down button. They did replace it, it's just a down button now. Oh, look at that. That thing's been trying to work for I don't know how long now, and it's still broken. This one's at P1 now. Like, there's a little bit of light, but the indicator is not working. Oh! Okay. That explains it. They're trying to get the screen to work, but the programming is faulty, so it's just sitting here. It's just sitting here on the second floor with its doors like this. Oh well, at least we have an answer. There goes the elevator. Alright. We'll take it for one more ride. It's a white down button. Here it is. You going down?
Yeah, I'm waiting to figure it out.
Alright. Bro's gonna be waiting a bit. Alright, here we are at 1, we're getting off here. And yeah, it says it's going up, so it's gonna go back up in, or not, maybe that one. That's it.